Welcome to Real Talk with Reginald D. I'm your host, Reginald D. On today's episode, we're going to talk about strengthening yourself and believing yourself again. Let's be real, fam. Life is tough, man. No matter how you look at it. Life has moments when you feel like you can't take anymore. I've heard somebody say it's hard, but it's fair. I beg to differ on that. But I need you to understand, no matter how tough life gets, you have the strength to get through it. You have overcome so much adversity. That's how your strength is built. It's built through your adversity. That's why you have to continue to strengthen yourself and believe in yourself again. I need you to embrace your ability to believe again. Trust your inner capacity. You have to realize that you're stronger than you know. It's time for you to overcome what you thought you couldn't. The best change that would ever happen is when you strengthen yourself and start believing in yourself again. That is where new beginnings take place. And you must embrace it. When you strengthen yourself and believe in yourself again, you cannot let nothing from the outside validate you. Trust in your own capacity. Your capacity is bigger than any validation from anybody. It's funny that some people feel like their strength comes from revenge or closure. They either want to pay somebody back for what they did to them, or they want to be content from a bad situation. They want an emotional resolution. Again, you don't need revenge or closure. You only need the vision you have for your life. I know you have scars inside, but each scar you have means something and shows something. Your scars show where you have been, not where you're going. Your destiny and where you're headed is much bigger than your stars. Strengthen yourself and believe in yourself again. Your strength and belief in yourself is what's going to hold things together when everybody else expects you to fail. Once you know your own strength and know how strong you are, that's when you can face and overcome the greatest weakness. I need you to know that winning in life is based on a couple of things. First, you got to know and believe that you're strong enough for this thing called life. And then the only thing you got to do next is to keep going rather than give up. That's it, man. Strengthen yourself and believe in yourself again. Quit doubting yourself. You're built for this. Think about this. Seriously. One of the biggest privileges you have is waking up with another chance to try again. What a major privilege. That's God's grace and mercy giving you another chance in life. That's why you got to strengthen yourself and believe in yourself again. And go for it. Millions didn't make it to get another chance, but you were one of the ones who did. So you keep reading the same page when it comes to your life, the page of doubt and weakness. But today you got to turn the page. Start believing in you again. Strengthen yourself. Because I'm telling you, the best is yet to come when you become the person that you're supposed to be. You are braver, stronger, and smarter than you think. It's in you. You just got to strengthen yourself and believe in yourself again. Through joy and pain, you still stand. No matter what, stand on your business. Your life is your business. Sometimes in life, I had to learn from the pain and bleed through the hurt. Things got tough, but I had to learn to strengthen myself and believe in myself again. That was the only way I was going to rise above it. I had to realize that all the pain I went through, I had to endure it. I couldn't give it back. Pain doesn't come with a receipt, so you can't give it back. It comes with a lesson. Sometimes in life, you're going to take the long way where you shouldn't have. But you got to believe that you're going to eventually arrive to where you're supposed to be in life. You just got to strengthen yourself and believe in yourself again. When life seems dim, that's where you shine the brightest. I need you to understand that your faith has to be bigger than your obstacle. The only person that can pull you down is yourself. It's time for you to start making some progress in your life. And I'm going to tell you this. Progress will cost you some people, but not making progress will cost you yourself. You're too valuable to let that happen. It's time for you to strengthen yourself and believe in yourself again. Don't let fear bury what your faith is supposed to build. You have desires for your life. You have dreams you're trying to achieve. There is no more time for fear. Strengthen yourself and believe in yourself again. and go for what you know. I need you to understand this. Learn to stay steady and strong even through uncertainty. That's how you grow. Now, real talk. If your peace is determined on everything going right in your life, that's not peace. That's control. Don't you know that God is preparing you for more right now? That's why you're going through the fire right now, because you're being built. You think you're stuck right now. But in all reality, you are growing. Tough moments is the process to success. Strengthen yourself and believe in yourself again. Make up your mind and tell yourself that you're going to get what you want for your life. A made-up mind is the most dangerous mind. Remember that. Never ask to be chosen in life. Build something so great to the point you cannot be ignored. That's what you do. Every promise that God has for you is still stored upon you, no matter how tough things get. Nothing, I mean nothing, is too big for you to handle. Strengthen yourself and believe in yourself again. I need you to know that God is bigger than any worry that you have. It's time for you to start thriving. Honor the person you're about to grow into. When you walk in who you're meant to be, you will attract good things in your life naturally. You are divinely different, which means that you have distinct traits, a unique identity, and you have the beauty of standing out instead of conforming to the norm. Be who you are. Vibe in the real you. It's time for you to move in alignment. God is just waiting on you to get in alignment for what He has for your life. Then He's going to blow your mind. He's going to do exceedingly and abundantly above all you ask or could think. No more crying. No more doubting. It's time for you to strengthen yourself and believe in yourself again. Don't let go. Keep believing that what you desire will come to pass. Even if you don't see the way sometimes, that is still a plan that's working in your favor. Man, who am I talking to? So you think you're late arriving in life, but you're actually right on time. It's a new day for you. Strengthen yourself and believe in yourself again. The things in life that try to rip your soul is only pushing you towards your goal. I'm going to leave you with this. It's time for you to grow and be bigger and stronger. If you don't carry weight, you're not built for this life. The lane is wide open. It's time for you to accelerate and go for yours. Remember, move in silence. There's no need to make noise. Make your actions loud. And last, strengthen yourself and believe in yourself again. And respect the process of this beautiful thing called life. Strengthen yourself and believe in yourself again. It's time for you to rise up and do it your way now. Don't chase it. Become it. Thank you for listening to Real Talk Reginald D. If you enjoy listening to Real Talk Reginald D, please rate and review on Apple Podcasts. See you next time.